Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Webtech Knowledge. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show videos in HTML. So this is actually really simple for showing video in HTML. First of all, for showing video, you need to use a tag and that is called video tag. And this tag has an opening and a closing. And for video tag, actually the closing tag is not important, but some browser may cause some problem if you do not give the closing video tag. Okay, so it always better to give the video tag opening and the closing. And here, just like we show the image in the video tag, we also need to write source over here, and inside this source we need to mention our video. And here in my file I have a video called cat video and the type is mp4. Here you can see. So and here you can also see cat video.mp4, which is basically in the same folder my html. So here we can just directly see over here cat video.mp4, and you need to make sure that the extension is similar to this .mp4, and if it's wmv then you also need to give over here wmv, not mp4. Okay, so right now if I save it and then if I just refresh over here, you can see the video link over here, but you can see that there is no option for me to click and play the video, and also the size of this video is too big. So let me just say over here width, let's say width will be 300. You can write px. So let's just refresh here, and there you go, the video is a lot smaller right now, but the issue is still here, we do not have the play button. So for it, all you have to do is that you need to write over here controls, and if we now save then refresh here, and there you go, we have a play button over here, and if I click on it the video will start playing. And you can see that once the video is finished it is automatically stopped. And here we also have the sound option as well. And if you want to like loop the video multiple times, then you can do it as well. So here after or before we can write over here loop, save, then refresh here, and here you will notice once the video is finished it will automatically repeat itself. Here you can see it automatically started again. Okay, so also if you want to have your video mute at the beginning, you can do that as well. We can see over here muted and then save, then let's just refresh over here, and here you can see it is automatically muted. And let's say you want to like autoplay the video whenever someone enters your browser, then you can just say over here autoplay, save it, then refresh, and there you go, the video automatically started playing. Now those are all the basics of videos in HTML. Now let's say you want to add a, okay, let's just first remove the autoplay, save it, and let's say you want to add a thumbnail for this video. You can do that as well. For that all you have to do is that you need to write over here poster, and inside this poster we need to give a image. Let's say we have an image over here cat.jpg. we can use this as a thumbnail, so we can say over here cat on .jpg, save, sorry, cat, save, then if you now refresh, this picture will work as a thumbnail, and if you play it you can see the video over here. So this is all for the video part from your from the folder. But let's say you want to add a video from YouTube in your HTML web page, you can do that as well. For example, here I have a video playing over here, and if you want to play this YouTube video on your HTML web page, for that all you have to do is that you need to go to the video share option. Here we will see a share option. All you have to do is just click on the share button or share option, then you will see this option embed, embed. Just click over here, embed, and then YouTube will give you a HTML code. Here you can see, and here you can see some more option like start at 00. If you want the video to start from 30 seconds, you can just write over here 30 seconds. Okay, then here show player control, and then enable privacy enhanced mode. You can try it by yourself, and here at the bottom you will see a copy option. Just click over here copy, and this part will be automatically copied. Then all you have to do is that you need to paste this copied code in your webpage.html or in your HTML file. So I'll just paste it over here, and here you can see iframe. Inside iframe we have the YouTube source link and some other things. So we'll just save it here. Then if we right now refresh in our HTML web page, here you can see that we can see the YouTube video, and if I click over here play, it will automatically start playing. You can pause it, you can choose the setting from here, and you can also make it bigger as well. So yeah, this is all about videos in HTML, and I hope you learned something new from this video. And if this video was helpful to you, then please subscribe. I really appreciate it. And thanks again for watching. Stay tuned and stay healthy.